Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm here to showcase our beautiful holiday kits for 2018. So what we do every year is we take our most popular kits and we do beautiful Christmas and holiday versions of them. So let's go ahead and dive in and I'll start showing you what we've made for you this year. Alright, so let's start up here at the top. So I have our odd count Peyote duo bracelets. Now you actually can make both of these bracelets with the same kit. And it's really beautiful. So we have this nice wide one here. And then we have the thinner pattern here. And you'll get enough of a pattern to make an 8-inch bracelet, but you can also just start eliminating rows so that you don't have to make a full 8-inch bracelet. But it's just really beautiful and wears lovely, and I just love that gold in there with our little snowflakes. So that is the odd count Peyote duo. And speaking of duos, we have a duo of earrings here. So this is the elegant bead frame earring duo, and we have a nice Christmassy version here with that Swarovski crystal at the bottom. And then we also have our Swarovski crystal pearls here. And what I love is that you'll get to make both of those earrings, but this one is sort of an evergreen. You could wear this year round, so don't think of it just as a Christmas kit. So speaking of that, we have a beautiful silver and black, and this is our Centerline ring and cuff set with a beautiful little pattern there. So if you like Loom and want to have a nice quick project, this is perfect for you. So that is our ring and cuff set. Now we do have our Loom statement earrings. So I have a beautiful Christmas tree and gold here, again with that Swarovski Baroque crystal at the bottom. And then I also have this little sort of winter wonderland one here. This is our blue and white sweater pattern. So nice little pattern. Again, this is done on the baby jewel loom so that you don't have to waste all that extra thread. So if you've worked with these before, these are great because they actually come in refills. So you can buy just the beads and the components to make it without having to buy an additional loom. All right, so speaking of beautiful statement earrings, I have a black and silver version here. This is our Swarovski crystal statement earring. And then I have a Christmas version here. I love this sort of wreath-like pattern here of that brick stitch around the form. So two beautiful earrings there to choose from. And for this one, we did a similar thing. We did a nice Christmassy version of our Kumihimo. And then we did a black and gold version. And again, you could wear this year round. It's not just for the holidays, but it's a beautiful little bracelet there with a lovely magnetic clasp. Very easy and lovely to wear. All right, so that's what we have for Kumihimo. And last but not least, we have our Patchworks Loom bracelet here. Now this is a really beautiful pattern. And again, we do have the full and the refill. This is done on the jewel loom. And it just has that beautiful center running down there of these square beads and the 2-hole beads. So this is a great technique if you really want to take your looming to the next level. So be sure to check that one out as well. So all of our kits are available at Beadaholique.com, and for each different style that you see here, we have a personal video walking you through step by step so you can make these wonderful kits. So go ahead and get your holiday shopping done early by heading over to Beadaholique.com.